Hi, what's up everyone? Today, I'm going to talk about a useful but often overlooked feature in Microsoft Word, period. And that's dictate, period. New line. Many of us spend a lot of time typing on our keyboards, comma, and sometimes we just want to give our fingers a break, period. New line. Dictating an email or your Word document may not be practical when we're at the office, comma, especially if we're in an open floor environment, period. But with many of us working from home now, comma, we can totally use this feature, period. And to take full advantage, comma, you can even connect a Bluetooth headset to your laptop and unload your thoughts and ideas directly into a Word document, period. And also, comma, most of us speak a lot faster than we can type, comma, so if we have a lot of content that we want to capture, comma, it's super helpful to use the dictation tool, period. Now, I think Word did a pretty good job recording my dictation. The accuracy depends on a few different factors, including how much ambient noise there is, how clearly you're speaking into the mic, and how fast you're talking. So you'll have to review the transcription afterwards and spend some time correcting the errors, but it gets you 90% there. Alright, so let's dive in and show you how to use this tool. By the way, I'm using the web version of Word. Even though the dictation tool is available in the desktop version as well, the web version is more feature-rich, allowing for editing, as well as use of lists and comments. So the first thing that we're going to do is navigate to the Home tab and select Dictate. A mic icon will appear and let us know when it started listening. Mary had a little lamb, comma, whose fleece was white as snow, period. New line. And everywhere that Mary went, comma, the lamb was sure to go, period. New line, open quote. Why does the lamb love Mary so? Question mark, end quote. Now let's review some of the editing syntax. It followed her to school one day, period. Delete. New line, which was against the rules. Delete that. It made the children laugh and play. Delete laugh. Now let's look at the formatting syntax. To see a lamb at school, period. Bold, lamb. New line. And so the teacher turned it out. Underline last sentence. And here's how to create a list. Start list. Pen, new line. Paper, new line. Scissors, new line. And here's how to start a number list. Start number list. Go to the grocery store, new line. Go to the post office, new line. Pick up the kids from school, new line. By the way, you can say things like pause dictation and exit dictation if you want to stop recording. As you can see, there's a lot you can do without ever having to touch the keyboard. So again, the tool is not absolutely perfect. I'm sure you noticed a few errors here and there, but it does get you most of the ways there. So with simple editing and corrections, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching everyone. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again and bye now.